So I've been away from my greenhouse for almost a week because we started home renovations, so that's been taking up a lot of time. And everything in here, my greenhouse has been, they look really parched, so I just gave everything a really deep soak. Like even my rat tails here, they're looking pretty sad. I did lose one, I think I lost a couple plants. So I lost this guy right here. What is it? That's the name of it. Lily Punta Crested. It kind of looked like a brain. Sucks. This is my second one that I've had. They're very high maintenance for me, so I probably won't be doing that again. I feel like I know what works for me. Astrophytums work for me. Gymnos work for me. Echinopsis works for me. Obesas work for me. So as far as seedlings, they were really dried out. My bad. Lost one right there in the bottom right hand corner, I believe. Gave this one a really good soaking. I'm hoping that the myriostigmas over here still make it. Let's see, I got my twins up here. They're both looking pretty good. This is my most expensive cactus, and it looks like it's doing pretty well. I moved these seedlings over here. This is my gymnovators. Let's see, I put it backwards, but it's okay. One is doing, focus, really well. Lost a couple just because they got so dry. And my these stenoplerums, yeah, they look like they're struggling. I did give them water from underneath, so it's just taking time to soak up. But looks like I lost one right here. And maybe if there was one, I honestly don't remember. But it's, I was trying to do it before it got into triple digits, which in Vegas, for me, triple digits is anything above 110. It's supposed to be above 110 today, so it is so hot in here. I just turned the fan off so I could film a little bit. So everything else is looking good. So all these guys are alive. Unfortunately, I have some etiolation here. Can't do anything. Oh, actually, I did do something about one. I have this Copiapoa, and it had really bad etiolation. Let's see. And I cut it. Let's see. I had a sterile pair of scissors, focus, and I cut it, and it looks like it's actually doing good. I hope it'll close up on top. So yeah, I've got water dripping everywhere. Let's see. Gave my tephros a really good watering. This one over here looks like it's doing something. This the top ball looks like it's kind of becoming like a heart shape, so we'll see how that goes. As far as over here, let's go back to like everything looks good. Looks like I've had a couple blooms that I missed. I'm blanking. This twisty cactus, I'm blanking, but it looks obviously really bad. Before I go back in, I'm gonna give it another really good watering. I actually put some more soil on it. Yeah, this one looks like it's struggling, but everything else, actually on this side where it gets, I feel like, more sun, they look fairly happy. I got a bloom that's trying to come through here with this gymno. My euphorbias are alive, which are always kind of, I'm always kind of weary about them because in the beginning I was awful with them. I overwatered them. Over here, everyone's looking pretty good. Here's another pair of sisters. Yeah, I'm hoping that they bloom so I can pollinate and get some seeds. My main thing over here is looking really great after I put it into this bigger pot, the size of my hand. So it's looking really good. And even everything over here is looking pretty happy. With this euphorbia, what is it? Arugula, whatever. I put a little stand just because I felt like it was really droopy. That one I'll probably water again too. But I left them alone for a week, and they look like they're doing pretty good. So, oh, and I have that. So this guy broke. It's a blue plyo, whatever. I have it over here, and it looks like the bottom is starting to callus. Probably, honestly, wait until focus. It's not focusing, but it is callousing over pretty well, but I don't know when I'm going to be repotting that.